ఏం చేసావే మబ్బులను పువ్వుల్లో తడిపి తేనె సడిలో ముంచేసావే గానులకు గంధం రాసి పైకి విసిరుతావే ఏం చూస్తావే మెరుపు చురకత్తుల్నే దూసి పడుచు ఎదలో దించేసావే తలపునే తునకలు చేసి తపన పెంచుతావే నడిచే హరివిల్లా నన్ను నువ్విల్లా గురి పెడుతుంటే ఎలా అను అణువున విలవిల మనగా ప్రాణం నిలువెల్లా నిలబడు.
ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಪಿಕ್ ಬೈ ಬಸ್ಸು. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಸವರಾಜ್ BS. ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾದ ಕೊಲಂಬೋ ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮೆಜೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಲ್ಗೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಸುತ್ತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮಾಲ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೇನೋ. ಸೊ ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇವ್ರ ಕಲ್ಚರು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇನ್ಯಾಕೆ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಬಂದು ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತೆ. Good name?
I'm named Shalini Guerra.
Shalini. So basically you are from Colombo, or like which part of the?
No, I'm Vattala.
Vattala.
Yeah.
So like it is in the north part of the
Yeah.
Sri Lanka, or south part?
North.
North part.
Yeah.
So you are the student, or like you're working?
Working.
Working.
Yes.
So what you are working?
I'm from Bimalanka, like an insurance company.
Insurance company.
Yes.
You are working. So like tell me like any 5 Sri Lankan traditional foods.
Yes. Rice.
Okay.
Rice and curry.
Okay.
Rice, dal curry.
Okay.
And chicken and fish curry and sambar and another one.
So basically you are the like which religion you belongs to?
Catholic, Roman Catholic.
Catholic.
Yes.
Okay. So like tell me any two like Catholic festivals. So you are celebrating in Sri Lanka. Okay.
Christmas and feast.
Feast.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you like India or China?
China.
China.
Yeah.
Okay. So and one more thing, Sri Lanka has a very huge potential in tourism. Can you please tell me about it, no?
Yeah, the country is very beautiful and I know something that
Yeah.
it's
Yeah. And tell me like any if any foreigners come outside from Sri Lanka, so which places you prefer to, so like you can tell them to explore.
yes. You come and travel for our country and our beautiful you see.
Tell me the any 5 places.
Yeah. Anuradhapura
Okay.
and Nuwara
Okay.
Patiklo
Okay.
and Polonnaruwa and
So do you watch cricket?
yes.
So which Sri Lankan player do you like?
My favorite player, Dilshan.
Dilshan, Tilakaratna Dilshan.
Tilakaratna.
So like about in any place do you like in India?
Yes. Taj Mahal.
Huh?
Taj Mahal.
No, I'm asking about the cricketer.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli you like? Okay. So you like Taj Mahal?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any plans to visit India?
No, that's nothing.
No, okay. As of now, there is no
Yeah,
plan. So, okay. By the way, you're looking so gorgeous,
Thank you. Thanks so much.
and thank you for the nice time with us.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Great.